This 2022 Grand Design Reflection 28BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, leveling jacks, slide-out, smoke detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, microwave, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, TV, oven, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Reflection 28BH is 8,997 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.